Hi everyone, Valentine's Day is almost here. Do you want to impress your Valentine with this infinite color changing heart? Watch the video and I'll show you with only 7 codes. Let's begin now. We have a heart costume and we're going to change the size to a smaller one, like 50. Put it down where you want it to be and drag out the one flag clicked and drag out where it is, so that way it'll always stay the same place when the green flag is clicked. Now we add a pen from the extra codes block and drag out the erase all. And then you drag out the forever block and put the stamp into it. Finally, you add the drag mode to draggable. Now when you drag it, it instantly duplicates. It looks a little plain, so if we drag out one more code, all the magic happens. Drag out the change color effect by whatever you want, and 1 is the best. Now it's done. It's so super satisfying and romantic. Now you can impress your Valentine. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody.
Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your